I hope you're having an awesome week and a great day. Before we dive into my friend Lemon here, I want to introduce to you one of the newest products from doTERRA. It's called Hydrating Body Mist with Beautiful Blend. So Beautiful Blend came out last year at convention, and it's a limited time kind of product, and they brought it back for Christmas, and they're out again. So they put it in this lovely bottle here. So I've used it every day since I've gotten it right out of the shower. I just little spritz on the arm, rub it in, and just it smells like Skittles to me. It does, like candy. I'm wearing the rainbow. Okay, so let's go into lemon. So that's this guy coming out, I believe, October 1st, if I'm not mistaken. But you can look it up on doterra.com. All right, so lemon. It's a cleansing, purifying, and invigorating, or has invigorating properties. It's very versatile, and it's one of the top selling oils, and it's only $10. $10, can't beat it. Purifies the air and surfaces, can be used as a non-toxic cleaner throughout your home. So you know me, queen of spray bottles. I've got, I think I mentioned this one before when we talked about On Guard. So this one has On Guard, lemon, and wild orange, water with a little bit of white vinegar, and I use it in on my stove tops, and it works really well. It purifies the air. Oh, wait, I would say that. You add to food and water or any beverage. I've added it to iced tea. Any recipe that I come across that says to use lemon zest or lemon juice, I use this instead. I hardly ever buy lemons anymore. It provides digestive benefits, so feeling a little bloated, put a drop or two in your water, and that will help relieve that. It also supports respiratory function. It's an antihistamine and anti-inflammatory, just like peppermint and lavender. It's very uplifting and energizing, and improves your mood. So it's perfect for the diffuser. You can take internally to assist seasonal respiratory discomfort. Again, it's anti-inflammatory. This is a cool tip. Hi, Kay. How are you? Look at the rainbow. Hi, Mom. So amazing tip that I just learned that I'm going to use eventually is you can use it on a cloth and wipe down your leather furniture, leather surfaces, or garments. So I'm going to try that. Another tip that I just discovered that I will also be trying is it's a great remedy for early stages of tarnish on your silver and other metals. So I'll be trying that too. Hi, Mom. And I've been doing this ever since I've gotten lemon. Is, you get a cute bottle and it has a label that's not so cute. They're kind of hard to get off. So I've used this soap and water, and it comes off really easily. Or those, stickers on glassware comes off really well. So those are my tips and my tidbits on lemon. So next week, oh my God, I'm so excited. This is my other boyfriend, Frank, frankincense. It's the king of oils. It's one of my favorite oils. I cannot wait to share this one with you. It's going to be a lot of good, yummy information on that. So that's it for me. So I'll see you next week, and we'll talk about frankincense and probably another new doTERRA product. I don't know yet. I like to keep you on the edge of your seat. I'm probably thinking about maybe next weekend going over all the new products that doTERRA is coming out, because I believe most of them come out on October 1st. But don't quote me on that. Do your research. Okay. Hi, Rachel. Hi, Judy. Okay, so I'm going to take off. I got to get the kids. You guys have a great day and a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Okay, take care, everybody.